2000 Saturn, the dreaded broken water outlet. I do not want to pull this manifold off. I am going to attempt to cut it on the car using Dremel tool and any other cutting device I could find. I will be installing an aftermarket water outlet after the original one is removed. I disconnected the EGR pipe coming from the back of the head. You'll also have to remove the stud coming out of the manifolds when you're cutting through that section of it. Here's what we'll be using: 1/4-inch die grinder with a 60 grit sanding disc, air saw, just a hacksaw blade with some electrical tape on, and the Dremel with a little 1.5-inch metal cutting wheel. I got to this point in about 10 minutes using the angle grinder, little Dremel with a metal cutoff wheel, and an air saw. Now I'm going to finish with the angle grinder and just grind down to the spot where I need to get to the hole that's hidden. Here I use the hacksaw blade to first cut away the section that attaches to the long intake runner. Cut this piece off. Then I use the air saw to come in and cut along parallel with the back of the manifold. You cut a part of the port out and the gasket falls out. You're actually cutting through a little piece of the metal also that's inside there. This piece was able to be cut away with a little Dremel cut-off saw along here, and then crack it off, and then use the sanding disc to grind away what's left near the intake runner. This is the hole you're looking to find. The inner part of the manifold is all hollow, so it grinds away very easily. Stay away from the intake runner, and little orange pieces right there are the edges of the gasket for that intake port. And it's ready for the new outlet to be bolted on. I found a picture online of what the back of the manifold looks like. The orange pieces are the pointed ends of the port gasket, and the gasket for the water outlet is that black piece that's right there. And here's the new outlet already bolted in place. The total time for me to do this job was around a half an hour, start to finish. So save yourself hours of time by doing it this way. Thanks for watching.